Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Micro 90 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to take this cover off, get inside the brew unit, replace the O-ring from the brew unit, service it, lubricate it, put it back together and test it. We also did this cleaning cycle of the machine and also the cleaning cycle of the machine as well. So yeah, that's all we did. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna be testing out everything. We're gonna be testing out the steamer. We're using also milk cleaner over here instead of milk. So we're gonna be able to see it siphoning coming out through this little one, and then we're gonna see the coffee coming out through the spouts. Then we're gonna be testing the hot water. Now the thermostat needs to go to a certain temperature in order to produce that froth. Once it does, you're gonna see it siphoning through there. Nice and swing coming out through there. Like I said, we do not have milk, we just have the cleaner of the product. There you go, nice steady stream coming out through the spouts, excellent color as well, and really good shot. We're gonna stop it right here as the cappuccino has a much bigger quantity than 3 ounces, and you can see the shot right here. Nice crema, good color, looking great. Hot water for this machine, as you can see, it's a nice steady steam as well, excellent temperature, working excellent. So there you have it, Jura Micro 90 working once again. Thank you so much for replaying Mechanic Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.